taking my boyfriend CHC back to school.
No!
Zachary!
I don't want to go back to school.
Zach wasn't the best student. He struggled a lot in school and overall had a bad experience. So I enrolled him in Miss Munchie University to change that. Hopefully he can learn something today.
Let's start off with roll call. Zachary, here.
There's only one student in this classroom.
Stay here.
Here.
First, we're gonna start with a pop quiz.
What on earth is limb? I didn't take calculus before.
Hopefully by the end of this, you will learn a lot about calculus. Here's your pencil box. Zach, pay attention. You may begin the test now. You have 5 minutes.
I don't know if I want to use a ballpoint pen.
Just use a regular pencil so you can erase. I don't think he's gonna do so well. But today, I'm gonna try my best to get him to learn math. He doesn't really focus very well. It will be a challenge for me. But by the end of this class, if he fails his final test, he gets slimed.
Why?
He didn't pay attention in class.
I think I'm gonna fail anyway. I suck at math. Wait, stop looking. You're making me nervous.
Right away, he was incredibly discouraged.
Wait, didn't you drop out of college?
Yeah, I did.
This is why I'm teaching him college low math.
All the comments always say you only know elementary school math.
I'm proving them wrong.
What if I just ace it and you have nothing to teach me? I am done.
Alright, let me check your answers.
I didn't think Zach was gonna ace the first test, but I didn't expect him to be this bad.
Well, the first one, I didn't know what limb was, but I made like a nice doodle. Back when I was in school and I did a nice drawing, the teacher gave me extra credit.
Okay, well that doesn't happen here. I'm crossing out the dragon because we don't draw in class. Limit is equal to 69. That is incorrect. Find.
I found it. See?
No, you didn't.
No, show them. You said find that, and I found it.
That was wrong. Alright, and last, solve this problem. You just wrote no.
I don't want to solve it.
Well, okay. We have a lot of work to do.
I don't even know what the big S is.
You have a 0 out of 3. That is failing. That's okay because we are here to learn.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You can take off your backpack, you know.
No, it's part of me now.
Now that we tested Zach's math knowledge, it's time for our first class.
Today will be fun. We're gonna start off easy. Basic math.
Right off the bat, he was getting distracted.
I'm gonna write some questions on the board, and I would like you to solve them.
This may be more difficult than I thought.
Okay, I know this. 824.
It's simple fraction.
150.
Oh, good.
I don't want to simplify.
Simplify.
Okay, there, I made it simpler.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's very easy. It's exponents.
Okay, yeah, but
We'll show your work.
work smarter, not harder.
Ah!
You wrote 34 plus 23 is 57. You just wrote it kind of crooked.
No. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.
9, 27. Oh, my brain hurts. 81.
Yeah.
So the answer is 89.
Correct!
I haven't been back to school in like 4 years. I suck at math. I'm
Right?
gonna die dumb.
You're not stupid. Come on.
Even though Zach is doubting himself, I think the upcoming classes will boost his confidence. Which brings us to our next lesson.
How well do you know algebra?
I got a B.
Oh, that's good. Why don't you take your textbook?
This textbook is so heavy. This is the reason why I have a bad back today. I carried like 3 of these around in my backpack. Teacher, look.
Pencil's wiggling.
Wow.
May I be dismissed?
No.
Let's see what he remembers from school.
Do you remember how to simplify?
Whoever's watching right now, do you guys know how to do this? Because I forgot all of this. Also, comment if you're wearing socks right now, because I'm not.
So,
Wait, blur my feet. Nobody should be able to get that for free.
I think he needs a little refresher.
the best way to simplify this, x plus 4 times x plus 4.
Why x plus 4 again?
So when you FOIL out, you go here, over here, you do 4 times x equals to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Ziggy!
That's Turkey saying I did not graduate.
Oh my god.
Hey!
Stop
They
it!
didn't even get B-roll of that yet.
Tell me again. X squared plus 8x plus 16.
X plus 4, x plus 4.
Now do the bottom.
I'm gonna take a wild guess.
That's correct.
Huh?
And do you know why that's correct?
No! Okay, and these cancel out.
Yeah!
Oh, I got it!
So you simplify it, and then that's
the
the
answer
answer.
is-
And then that's the answer.
Okay, I think I remember a little bit of it now.
Let's play a fun game.
Does it have to do with math?
Yeah!
No! I don't know why. Every time I'm at school, my brain gets fried. My neurons are leaking out of my ear.
How about for every problem?
I get $100 million.
$10.
Wait a second, I do this for you, but you get $100 each time.
My budget is lower. Now listen to the teacher and build the problem.
Why is the teacher hitting me?
Let's see how Zach does in this game.
30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
2
259, 144, 248, 102,
I was really surprised how fast he was answering these questions. Maybe he's starting to enjoy himself.
574, 370, 648.
Yeah! Congrats! I think now you're warmed up. And you $70. Congratulations! You pay for a dinner date later.
I thought students dating teachers is strictly prohibited.
Well, not in this class.
While I was setting up for the next class, Zach decided to share some of his school hacks.
Whenever we're between lessons, I'm gonna do what I always did at school. Take a nap.
Oh god, Zach is a terrible student.
There were a few different methods to take a nap. One was like this. If the teacher's over there, I would kind of go like this. It looks like I'm studying, but actually, I'm just sleeping.
But you won't sleep in my class, right?
No, I am studying hard.
I think Zach's a bad influence in class. Alright, Zach, I hope you get these next two problems right. If you don't, I'm gonna have you go for a run.
What? The audacity of this teacher. What is that?
If you ever see anything with two big lines, you find absolute value.
This is what is taught in class. This is what we have for homework. And this is what I have on the test.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, instead of screwing around and making jokes, Zach actually started doing some math.
Equals 22 over 3. Negative 2 over 3, so that.
Yeah!
Yay!
How do you feel about my class so far?
Yeah, it's hard.
Well, his focus didn't last for long.
Okay, why don't you teach me some Chinese?
我要做数学. It means I want to do math in Chinese.
Okay,
Wait, Michelle, look!
Next, we're doing graphing.
No!
I didn't notice before, but it turns out graphing functions is Zach's least favorite topic in math.
What is the horizontal line?
X.
Vertical line?
Why, Michelle? Why? That's why I did art and YouTube, because I don't want to do math.
If you want to graph x equals to y,
I go like that.
y equals to x squared.
I go that.
Y equals to x.
Even though Zach hates this, it turns out he knew everything.
Zach, you're so good at graphing. But why are you so aggressive with that?
Because I was guessing.
Now what about y equals to 4 minus x squared?
I take that back.
I'm just trying to get you to do one problem. 4 minus x squared.
4.
You did it. Before I continue teaching Zach math, let me tell you guys about Math Makers. Math Makers is a math learning game that contains over 600 unique levels, each containing a hidden math problem in the gameplay. Welcome to my Math Maker class. Math Makers also allows a child-safe environment with no ads and no in-app purchases. It is also proven to help kids develop creative problem-solving skills. Lastly, Math Makers just launched a new multiplication adventure, so download the app now. Go play! Just click the link in the description or use my code MUNCHIE30 to get 30% off. Download! Do it now.
Now that we're done with the first two classes, it's time to start ramping things up. Trig was Zach's least favorite class in school, and he always talks about how traumatic the class was for him. This is gonna be tricky, but I'm gonna try to approach it in a way that he'll enjoy.
We're gonna draw!
Draw what?
A right triangle. I am always right. That's cute. Draw a circle. This is your pie circle. Okay, that's very over the top.
Fresh out the oven.
Do you remember sine? Now cosine. And then tangent is...
When you go in the sun for too long.
No.
Opposite over adjacent.
You're so smart. Sine of this angle is opposite. Are you messing around in my class again?
No.
The opposite of the theta is A.
I don't think I ever got to the theta part. I thought that was like when you go to college and it's like theta theta pi.
That clearly wasn't working, so I thought of a new plan.
Ben, welcome to algebra. Come.
No! That was my reaction!
Come on, Ben!
I
Get
dropped
it
out
out
of
of
school.
Why don't you guys get in a little group discussion and try and find B together?
Who enrolled me in this school?
And now find B.
Wait, what do you mean?
I'm gonna give them like 10 minutes to figure this out.
I will take a wild guess.
Yay! Now find the tangent of theta.
A over B, right?
Yay!
With Ben in the class, Zach actually started doing really well. And that's when I remembered that Zach didn't have any friends in high school. Maybe what he needed all along was just a friend.
You guys are passing the class so well. I am a good teacher, aren't I?
Is it recess yet?
And now it's time for the fourth and final class, calculus.
We're finally on to the
TikTok,
last part of my math school.
Only people that didn't come from TikTok can comment.
Let's start off easy. Let's learn about limits.
This is going to be the most difficult lesson by far. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even have a plan for this.
What is that? I'm gonna phone a friend, Ben. I think x equals 2.
So for this, you can rewrite it as this.
I'm not quite sure if Zach was following.
Why do I want to rewrite it?
But look at how easy it is. This equals to 4. Now this equals to 4. And then this equals to plus 5 times
4.
-2. So then the answer is -6.
Give me another one, I got it.
By the end of this video, I will be the Stephen Curry of trigonometry.
This is calculus.
Now find it.
0 minus 8.
-8.
Uh-huh.
See Zach, our training earlier worked. Don't you feel smart though?
No, I feel kind of dumb. Anybody who takes calculus right now is probably roasting me.
Do you remember when we were simplifying earlier?
Ish.
Can you simplify this equation?
Minus 3t plus 3 over. Goodness, this is hard.
I'll be really, really happy if you get this right.
Is it this?
Yes!
Let's go!
You're not done!
Oh, these cancel out.
Now you simplified this. You plug in the numbers.
-6 over -5, which is 6 over 5.
You did it!
I am the calculus king.
So far, he's doing really well. It's time to crank it up a notch.
We'll do derivatives. The derivative of f of x, take this 2, put it in the front, becomes 2x.
Why is this F1 and this F nothing?
It's like a little like apostrophe.
Yes, I understand now.
Then subtract the x on it by 1. This is 2x.
What?
Am I going too fast?
So you bring this number up here, then this number over here.
X to the power 4.
4x to the third.
Yeah! X squared minus 4x plus 1.
Bro, we really went from this to this. I don't have a clue.
This becomes 6x. You times 1 times 4. 1 doesn't have like the little x, so it's a 0.
I don't get why 1 is 0.
Deal with it.
Is this the American education system?
Last practice problem. Solve for derivative.
He didn't seem to be grasping some parts of it.
No, just simplify.
Can you give me an easier one? I'm gonna phone a friend now, Ben.
I may have pushed him a little too hard, and it looks like he completely lost focus. He can't concentrate, and he's forgetting stuff we just learned in our last lesson. I tried everything, but nothing was working.
I don't think this class is going so well. Math is hard. Teaching math is harder.
Bracket. I'll play Hangman.
I think both Zach and I are the problem. Wait! Are you guys playing a game in my class? Detention. This is the last lesson, Zach.
My soul has left my
No.
body.
And just when I thought things couldn't get any worse.
Integrals is the complete opposite. What's the integral of 4?
4? Where did x go?
Everyone always asks what is an integral. Nobody ever asks how is an integral.
Science rules. Bill Nye the science.
So,
Well, are these part of the same things? What's dx? Do I do this first or this? My teacher always said, work smarter, not harder. But I feel like I just need to be smarter.
please prove that I'm a good teacher.
I'll do my best.
Go review some things with Zach.
Review? I don't even know what to review.
We need to take this test fast.
Let's go!
I tried my best, but I'm a little nervous. I really wanted Zach to do well, but this was a lot to learn at once, and it looked like he was struggling.
Derivatives is the one where you subtract 1. No.
But even though Zach isn't very book smart, he's always been good at problem solving and figuring things out, so I still believe in him.
We literally learned this in class, so no way Zach will fail this.
Just need to memorize the formulas.
Okay.
Zach's ready.
I just really wanted him to pass because if my first student fails, that wouldn't look very good for me.
Final stretch, Zach. You may start the test. I will give you 10 minutes. Good luck. I think Zach's gonna do really well. I think he's really smart, and I think he learned a lot in this class.
This is -3 squared. Doesn't that just mean this is 0?
Just remember what I taught you in class. I really hope we don't have to slime Zach though, because I don't want to take the time to gather that up.
Oh, I might have just solved my first problem. Trying to see if anybody's scoffing at it.
No scoff.
Find the A.
Oh, scoff.
Huh?
I'm cheering for you. Ben, cheer.
Go, Zach. Well, at least I know one of these.
Even though I feel like Zach hasn't learned that much, really hope he passes this test. If not, I'm not a very good math professor. 4 minutes left. One last problem.
-9.
Realistically, I don't think he's gonna get 100%, but he worked hard and he improved a lot, so I'm gonna help him with this final problem.
I think the realistic thing is I am not gonna get 100% after one lesson, but I sure did improve.
Alright, let me grade it. Correct, 2 correct, and 3 correct.
But I actually got these by myself. I was very confused with the derivative one.
But I am very happy with a solid 2 out of 3 and having a spotter on problem number 2.
I'm so proud of my star student. Ben, you suck. Dun, 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 dun. Here's your diploma. I even signed it right there.
Subscribe, Michelle's gonna teach you next, ha! In Chinese, we got to do video projects.
Pretend you're filming a YouTube video right now about the next lesson.